guys, welcome back to the channel. It's winter time, minus 25 right now. I thought I'd do a video series on using the BC MTO Mineral Titles Online system. So this is the first of many to come out. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to her. Back to the channel. So we're going to do a quick MTO how to stake a claim video. So here we go. First you go to Mineral Titles Online and you hit log on. Now I've already done this, so it's going to take me immediately to this screen. At this point you will need to pick placer or mineral claim. We'll pick placer. Acquisition. You have a choice whether to check them out on the map or to use a cell ID number. I'm choosing the map. Click I've read and want to proceed. And next, the map will open up. Assuming you've done your research, you can zoom into the area that you want to stake a claim. Let's say right here, this is the MTO grid. It's broken up in squares like this. Okay, you can stake as many as you want, as long as they don't overlap certain things like reserves, parks, other people's claims. So we'll pick these two titles right here. Slum Gulch, down by Likely. We'll pick this one and this one. I'll click here to acquire. Next. Okay, the following cells are unavailable. Okay, so these guys, something is up with those cells. They are locked in by the ministry. So this is a good lesson. We'll try some different ones here. We'll just go kind of random in the center here and pick these two. On top of the mountain, click here to acquire. Verifying my submission. And this should be it. You're gonna pay for the claim and it's gonna be yours. So here you have a claim name you want to put in. This is something that you will have to make up once and cannot change. So make sure you pick something you like. Anyways, that's it. Hit next and it's yours. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys have a great time out there and we'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.